how to show or hide the keyboard button in navigation bar on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down. And in here, tap on general, management. After that, tap on keyboard list and default. Then at the top here, tap on default keyboard. And at the bottom here, tap on show keyboard button. So tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. So it's also available down here as well as up here. So you can also tap on this button to turn it on down here as well. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.